Everything you need to know about WOW Hair Care. Transform your hair with the only shampoo plus conditioner combo designed to fight hair loss. WOW Hair Care Bundle packed with ultra-rich natural ingredients, WOW Apple Cider Vinegar and Argan Oil Shampoo and Coconut Avocado Hair Conditioner is the dynamic solution to revive and detox your hair and scalp. This WOW shampoo and conditioner's bioactive clarifying formula will leave your hair smoother, stronger and flake-free. The complete hair care kit. Repair plus Restore plus Rejuvenate. The plant-powered hair care bundle helps repair and restore your hair to its former glory, while adding volume, density, and the quintessential bounce and luster to your tresses. Enriched with apple cider vinegar, argan oil, coconut oil and avocado oil, the WOW shampoo and conditioner bioactive clarifying formula helps reset and detox the scalp. Stimulates dormant and damaged hair follicles, improves growth, adds volume and density, leaving your hair smoother, stronger and longer. Deep detox. Rapid repair. Scalp pH balance. Follicle rejuvenation. Silkier appearance. Safe for color-treated hair plus repairs heat styling damage. All of our 100% vegan shampoos and conditioners are safe for color-treated hair. Our unique formula features holistic hair care to repair damaged hair from heat styling, chemical treatments, and more, naturally. Discover the benefits of the WOW Hair Care Bundle Deep Detox. The ACV helps get rid of excess oil, product deposits and pesky flakes, delivering deep scalp detox while leaving your hair lighter yet stronger. Rapid repair. Enriched with botanicals, it delivers the hydration and nourishment to repair damage including split ends, rapid fall, dryness, itchiness and more. Scalp pH balance. This helps fight bacterial and fungal damage, while improving hair elasticity and reducing the risk of breakage from coloring and treatment. Follicle rejuvenation stimulates dormant and damaged hair follicles to support improved growth, adding volume and density for longer and stronger hair. Silkier appearance improves the quality of your tresses to leave them looking smoother and silkier, while also helping you avoid those frizzy bad hair days. The original WOW Hair Care is found only in the link that is in the description of this video. Special offer for limited time.